Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the clip and flower attachment to identify the failure. Is the glue gone, a broken stem, or loose petals? Once you know the problem, collect a strong craft glue, a thin needle and matching thread, small scissors, and any replacement petals or beads. Make sure to clear a flat, well-lit workspace and protect the surface. Start repairing immediately by separating fragile pieces. This prevents further damage, so you can proceed with the correct fix for glue. Now you reattach loose petals or the flower center by combining adhesive and stitching for durability. Apply a thin bead of glue to the exact contact points so it won't seep through fabric. If the base has a fabric backing, run a couple of small stitches with matching thread to anchor the flower. This adds strength beyond glue alone. Once done, press the parts together and use a small clamp or clothespin to hold them for several minutes. Let the glue become tacky before moving to final shaping. To complete the repair, attach the flower firmly to the clip base. Add a dollop of glue where the flower meets metal and press a small fabric or felt patch under the base for extra hold and cleaner finish. Once dry, trim stray threads and hardened glue residue, then gently shape petals with your fingers for a natural look. If the flower still moves or detaches, redo the stitching through the backing and clip or apply a thin second layer of glue. This troubleshooting step fixes most lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.